Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to install virtual machine on Windows operating system. Here you can see this is my Windows operating system. Okay, this is my genuine Windows operating system. I do not want to hamper or disturb this Windows operating system, but I want to install a virtual machine on this Windows operating system. To install any virtual machine, first you should download Oracle VirtualBox. Just go to the browser and download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, then click on this Oracle VirtualBox, or here you can click also here. Okay, then choose the where you want to install this Oracle VirtualBox. I am going to install Windows host. As my operating system is Windows, this is my Windows operating system. That's why I want to click here Windows host. Okay, then after downloading, install this VirtualBox. Okay, install this VirtualBox. Okay, I have already installed VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. This, click here. This is the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, and this is the Windows operating system. I have installed Oracle VirtualBox Manager on Windows. Install it. Then I have installed virtual machine, that is the Ubuntu virtual machine, Ubuntu operating system. Later I will show you how to install Ubuntu virtual machine on Windows. I have already installed a Ubuntu virtual machine. How to start the virtual machine? Just click any of. I have installed two Ubuntu OS on this Windows machine. Just click on start. Wait a little bit. It will start a Ubuntu machine on this Windows machine. Okay, wait a little bit. It will start the Ubuntu machine. Here you can see I have two virtual machine I have installed. You can install Kali Linux or Rocky Linux as you wish. Just minimize it. It is opening Ubuntu machine. Wait a little bit. In meanwhile, you can see the settings of the virtual machine. I have just minimized it. It is go to the settings and the system and processor. My Windows total I have processor, but virtual machine uses 4 CPU. Okay. The network I have chosen NAT. Okay. And click here, minimize it, and just open the this. This is my Windows operating system. Okay. This is my just restore. This is the Windows operating system. On Windows, I have installed the virtual machine box, and on VirtualBox, I have installed the Ubuntu virtual machine. You can resize it any size you can push. Okay, this is the Windows operating system, and this is the Ubuntu operating system on Windows. Okay, you can on Windows operating system you can use this Linux machine. This is the Ubuntu machine. Just full screen it, open the terminal, all control and T at once, press all at once. It will open the terminal. Control, press the control shift plus button, just zoom. Control shift plus button, zoom in the screen. Here you can see the operating system LSB underscore RELEAS release hyphen D. This is the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, you can practice any programming language on this virtual machine. Okay, so for example, I want to practice JavaScript on this machine. I want to run the JavaScript application on this. For this, I am going to a website that is DocuSource. This browser is open on my Ubuntu OS. Here I can write DocuSource. Okay, then get started. Any just simplicity. Copy this. This is my Windows operating system browser. Minimize it, and this is the this is the Ubuntu operating system browser. This here I can just paste it here. Here I can say any folder you can give it. That is hello, and click here. Hit enter. So this is already present. Wait a little bit. Choose the JavaScript. Right now I am using the Ubuntu operating system by using Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Wait a little bit. In the meantime, I can say if you wish to copy the Windows machine to Ubuntu machine, this is my Windows machine. If I want to copy this, okay, copy the URL and paste it from your Ubuntu virtual machine. Say for example here, this is the folder structure, and you can create a folder and paste here. You can take it, or you can create this. This is the LibreOffice writer, and paste. You can paste it here, or you can write anything. It's word. You can, if you want to copy this and paste it, minimize it and paste it on Windows operating system, you can paste it here also. Okay. Okay. By using just this is the close the Libre, don't save. I want to close it. Just click on this is running. Okay. To enable this feature, copy paste from host machine to guest machine. Just go to the device and drag and drop and choose on bidirectional. Okay. In this way, you can use the Linux machine on your Windows machine. It will not hamper any Windows operating system. Okay. Just it is installed by using Oracle VirtualBox. Just wait a little bit. It takes time to install the Dokusaurus application. It is a JavaScript based application. Okay. Okay. This is done. Then go to the CD hello site and then run the npm start and hit enter. It will start the Dokusaurus application, and you can test running it website this localhost colon 3000. Go to the browser, virtual machine Firefox browser. It is already automatically open. You can close it also. Wait a little bit, complete it. It takes time. Install this application. You can small it. Okay. This open the browser, Firefox browser. This is the Firefox browser on virtual machine, and just copy this section, copy, and open the browser of this course and paste it here and hit enter. You can see the Dokusaurus site is open. You can localhost colon 3000. In this way, you can close the browser. This is the Control C. This is the Ubuntu operating system on your Windows machine by using Oracle VirtualBox. If you stop the machine, just click on this button, and if you resize by full screen it, click here, small size, restore it. You can close the machine by using cross and power off the machine. Okay. Then click on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. If you again run it, just click on here and start. Okay. In this way, you can use the Ubuntu virtual machine. If you install the another operating system like Rocky Linux. It is a RPM based operating system. For this, you have to just install it, but just go to the settings section. I will show you later. If you have any, wait a little bit. This is the, if you want to delete the operating system, just use this. Then click on remove. Okay. All the operating system is installed on this Windows on all the files and folders is installed on Windows operating system. You can see the, go to the Windows systems and then click on C, then click on users. Here you can see the VirtualBox VMs. Here you can see this is the, this is, you can see this is the, oh, sorry, this is, here you can see one is Ubuntu VBox new. Here also you can see Ubuntu VBox new. This here the hard disk is, virtual disk is here. Okay, and another is another operating system I have installed. This is the name is Ubuntu VBox new clone, and this is the Ubuntu VBox new clone. All the OS is hard disk and virtual disk image is here. It is stored on the Windows operating system. Okay, in this way you can use the Ubuntu machine by using Oracle VirtualBox. If you again want to install this, run this machine, just click here and start. It will open. It will open the Ubuntu VirtualBox. Wait a little bit, minimize it, and it will open the Ubuntu machine. You can restore, resize it. Just close it here. It is opening the Ubuntu machine. Wait a little bit. In this way, you can install any operating system, Linux-based operating system on Windows machine. It will not hamper the Windows machine. Okay, this is the Ubuntu machine. You can minimize it and you can use the Windows operating system. This is the Windows. Any things you can click here. Say for example, yes, this is the Windows operating system browser, the Microsoft Edge. You can close it here. Again, you can run. You can just restore this. Click the upper button. It will restore the Ubuntu. This is the Ubuntu operating system. In this way, you can use any operating system you wish. This is the Ubuntu operating system. You can just close it. Okay. This is the file browser. All the files and folder of the Ubuntu operating system. You can click new, test, and create. Okay, this is the folder. You can create anything. Okay, this is the browser. You can click it here. This is the terminal of the Ubuntu operating system. You can zoom out, Control Shift plus. Okay. In this way, you can use the Ubuntu operating system for your coding or anything. If you like the video, please like it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section.